In this video, I'll walk you through the unboxing and setup of an inline fan system for grow tents. Inside the box, you'll find all the main parts you need to get started. Just a reminder, there are 4 common ways to set up an inline fan and carbon filter, so you can choose what works best for your setup. Then you can also decide whether to connect them directly or add a short section of ducting in between. Insert the knob controller into the front port of the fan to enable manual speed control. Once everything is connected, use the hooks to hang the inline fan and carbon filter at the top of the tent. Guide the ducting out through the tent's ventilation port and tighten it. If you want smart control instead, you can replace it with an RJ12 cable and connect the fan to iControl or iHub Pro. Connect the fan to the iHub Pro Smart Power Strip. This allows you to control the fan directly from your phone through the Mars Pro app. The iFresh fan can also be connected to the iControl controller. With iControl, you can adjust fan settings directly on the controller or control it from your phone.